And then the results, because that's why it's so fun today. Herre 524. Showing himself best. He is so elegant. He is evenly built. He has a lot of racial type. He has an excellent walk and a lot of power in his trot with a good hind leg. Best horse of this first group, Herre 524. Second, Hilbrand. Hilbrand is very willing to go. He doesn't really like to stop. And he has such a long mane. Has a really nice walk. A very active walk. A very upward trot with a lot of suspension. Second place, Hilbrand 525.